Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to protect the rockers on your brand new JL Wrangler. If you like to take your JL off-road and are looking for some more protection underneath, today we're going to be installing these Mopar Rubicon Rock Rails onto our 4-door 2018 JL Wrangler. These rock rails are going to be the same that are found standard on the Rubicon Edition JL Wranglers. These are going to fit all 4-door 2018 JLs, including the Sport, Sport S, as well as the Sahara. They feature a high-quality steel construction that bolts onto factory locations and even includes the hardware you need to get them on. With that being said, we're going to get them installed on our 2018 JL Wrangler Sport. This is a really simple installation that only requires the included hardware. As you can see behind me, we have our JL up on the lift. This isn't necessary to do, it's just going to be easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. Let's get started. Go ahead and grab an extra set of hands and set the rail into place. There's going to be holes in the body and it just slides right into them. And it'll actually hold there until you can put the hardware on. You're going to take 2 of the 10mm black bolts and put them on the inside here. There's one on this side and then one on the other side of the post. And then one of the larger gray bolts will go right up through the body here. It's already threaded. I just like to get them started on each of them and then we can go back and get them tightened up. Do the same in the center here. Black hardware is going to go on each side and then the gray goes right in the center. The 2 black nuts get tightened down with a 10mm while the gray uses a 13. We're going to get started up in the front, tightening them down. And repeat the same for the middle and the rear section. After you have all of them tightened down, repeat the same process on the other side and your installation is complete. As you can see from behind me, we just wrapped up the installation of these Mopar Rubicon Rock Rails onto our 2018 JL Sport. Now honestly, I think these things should have came factory. It really covers up that ugly pinch seam underneath there, and it's going to give you a ton of protection from underneath. These things are really beefy. Now we did install them with only a 10mm and a 13mm socket, and you can do this honestly in about 10 minutes right on your driveway. Now you can find these rock sliders as well as many other great parts for your brand new JL right here at cjponyparts.com.